Make money with YouTube Shorts TikTok using free AI. HeyGen tutorial. Make money with YouTube Shorts TikTok using AI for free. Here's how to use HeyGen to create videos and earn. In this thread, you'll learn 1. How to use HeyGen to create YouTube Shorts or TikToks. 2. Monetization. Step 1. Video creation. Visit HeyGen.com. Give HeyGen a try for free. Create a video and select portrait mode. Next steps. Check this tutorial on creating realistic videos using HeyGen in mere seconds. Step 2. Submit and get your video. Here's how to submit and download. This is what HeyGen.com created in just 2 minutes. I'm amazed by its realistic avatars. Monetization. There are 3 ways to monetize. 1. YouTube Shorts, running ads, sponsored content. 2. TikTok, sponsored content. 3. Social media, sponsored ads. According to YouTube guidelines, as long as the video provides value, it can be monetized. Here's how I plan to use HeyGen for growth and profit. 1. Create videos for Instagram, Reels. 2. Produce YouTube Shorts. 3. Generate TikToks. HeyGen is the best in the market for AI spokesperson generation. Try it out here, HeyGen.com.